Hello guys, I hope you're all having a great day. So to begin with, we have to make 75 chains, or depending on your bust size. With mine, I made 75. So after finishing our 75 chains, we are going back to into the third chain. So we have to start counting from where our crochet hook. Then we will be doing, or we will be using double crochet, 1 2, and then 1 2. Just repeat the same procedure. 1 up, 2. Okay. I really hope guys that the way I demonstrated with you is understandable enough, because what I'm always telling you, I'm not an expert in crochet, but that's why I was trying so hard to make a video that will be understandable enough for you to know my patterns. I really hope it's useful. So just keep on doing it until the end of the chains. Now that we are done with our first line, guys, we are already in the last chain, so we are going back now. So in this pattern, we are trying to achieve the V shape, so always add 2 chains when we are going back, and then start with the very same chain where we stop, because this is the part under our bust. We have to make for now 3 straight lines, and before we are going to decrease later, or if you want longer, then you can maybe make 4 or 5. Now we are here in the last. So we are going to add again 2, then turn it upside down and start to the very beginning again, and just do the same thing, guys. So I'll get back to you later when we are going to decrease on the next line. Now that we're done, guys, we will start decreasing. So another 2 chains, then we are not going to start here but here on the second one. So 1 2, see, the shape is starting to be different now compared to the first 3 lines. Just do the same thing, and I will show you again later when we are going to. We're now here in the last part of the 4th line. So as you can see, we're still going to end here. Then turn it upside down and add another 2 chain and do the same thing. So go to the second chain and continue. So as I go along, guys, I always try it on. You have to always try it on if it's for yourselves, so if it's good enough, and if it's just fine, then you can just continue decreasing until you reach the length that you are trying to achieve. this is now the progress of our work, and you can see that it's slowly turning into a V shape. So if ever you notice that you are losing into the correct shape that we are trying to achieve, you can actually skip some chains and go directly into the third or the second. So as you can see that there's some holes, but we can just fill it in later with some designs for the sides. So it's finally done now, guys. Now we only have it's not done actually yet because we still have to do some finishing touches. We will be attaching the next color. So this we will use this color, and we will start here on the sides, as you can see. Now we'll make 1, 2, then go here. Now that we're done, guys, we will go straight to making 80 chains. This will support for our neck. So just make 80 chains, just single chains. After this, guys, we will then continue by doing the upper part before doing the other side. So after doing or crocheting the last part or the last side, we will then continue making 80 chains like what we did on the first side. So for the next support of our top. So here it is, just like this. Just you only have to attach to the blue color, and then we can continue. Now, guys, we're done here for the upper part and the sides. Then the next and last one will be the design for the lower parts. So what you have to do now is that start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 now. So we will be attaching them directly from here. Oh, look. We will attaching this here. And look, like that. So it's already here. Then we will continue. I wish it's here. 1, 2, 3. We will be doing this, guys, until the edge also. Then I will show you later what to do next after making this sides here. So just keep on doing this, guys, until you reach here at the edge. Then I will be back to you in a bit. So guys, we are already here at the edge, or at the very last chain. Now what you have to do is last another one. Okay, then make 10 chains also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are done with the main chain. You're under for the next design. Now we will be adding 2, 1, 2, and then up, turn it upside down, and wait, do it like again. We are not going to one. We added 2, right? 1, 2. So we will go here on the third chain, and 1, another 1, 2, within the same chain. So, and then so now from here we'll go directly to the next chain, not on the next one, but on the third chain. From 1, 2, and then okay, we got 2 now, another time, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, I hope you got it. It's just easy. So that's it, guys. So now we're done with this, guys, this pattern. Then we will be doing the last part. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. We'll go here. 1, 2, and then go here, and okay, then 1, 2, then go again here, 1, 2, then go here. So um, it's like what we did to our shorts. This is how we are doing also. Just the same, and then go here to the next one. Next chain and go up. I really wish, guys, that this video I made is helpful enough, because as what I'm always telling you, I'm not an expert. I'm not good in the names of the chains or the crochets, but I really wish that the way I demonstrated it with you is good enough for you to be able to create your own. So because it's pretty expensive from the stores, but if you can buy a yarn and start making your own, it's really pretty and satisfying. So I'm adding pearls, guys, for extra designs, but if you don't have pearls, you can always make your own tassel, so just to, and then attach it. So this is how easy to attach the pearls. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.